Hello everyone, this is Henry from UTT Technologies. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to configure a LAN to LAN PPTP or L2TP VPN between UTT routers. Before we set up any VPN tunnel between UTT router, let's try to ping the host on the other subnet. We cannot get any reply from the host on the other subnet because we are not on the same subnet. We cannot connect to the host on the other subnet. So now let's try to set up the VPN tunnel. Click on VPN on the left, click on PPTP and L2TP. Let's first try to set up a PPTP client. Click on PPT client tab, put in the username and password, and choose the protocol. We can choose PPTP or L2TP here. Please be clear that the username, password, and protocol must be the same on the both peers. The remote subnet IP is the LAN IP address of the remote router. In this case, it's 192.168.1.1, and remote subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. The tunnel server IP is the WAN IP address of the remote router, since the remote router acts as a PPTP server in this case. We can put in description for this PPTP tunnel if we want. Click on Save. Now I have successfully created up a PPTP client on the local end. Let's try to connect it. See, the status is connected. Now we have established a PPTP VPN tunnel between the two UTT router. Let's try to ping the host on the other end. It replies from the host on the other subnet. The packets goes through the PPTP VPN tunnel to the other subnet. Okay, next let's try to configure the PPTP server. Here we click on Dial in server. Please pay attention that server cannot be dialed in. The client can only initiate the PPTP tunnel request. The server can only respond to the PPTP VPN tunnel request. That is to say, the client can only dial out the PPTP VPN tunnel request, but it cannot respond to the VPN request. The server can only be dialed in to establish a PPTP VPN tunnel, but it cannot dial out to initiate the PPTP VPN request. Now choose the tunnel type is LAN to LAN, the username and password. The tunnel type, username, and password must be the same on both peers. Remote subnet IP is the LAN IP address of the remote router. In this case, it's 192.168.1.1, and remote subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Here we can put in the description for the PPTP server here. Click on Save. Click Global Setting. The start IP address. This is the IP address which the PPTP server will assign to the PPTP client. Number of IP address, let's say 10. Now I have successfully set up the PPTP server on the local end. Now let's try to dial this PPTP server from the PPTP client on the remote end. Now we can see the status is connected. The PPTP server on the local end has connected to the PPTP client on the remote LAN. So the above is how to configure a LAN to LAN PPTP or L2TP VPN between UTT routers.